Hey everyone, Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about Diamond Eye exhaust. Let's talk application. Diamond Eye makes exhaust kits and tips for many different year makes and models for Dodge, Ford, and Chevy. So just make sure to find your right year, make, and model on our website when looking for a part. Now Diamond Eye has tons of options. If you're looking for a 5-inch straight pipe that's going to wake up your neighbors, or if you're just looking for a 4-inch with a muffler just to replace that old rusted out exhaust, Diamond Eye has you covered. Now all of Diamond Eye's kits will come with the necessary clamps and hangers as well as instructions to install the kit, and all you're going to need is some basic hand tools. All of the kits that we sell are meant for fully emissions intact trucks, so if your truck came with a cat from the factory, the kit that fits your truck is going to reintegrate that stock cat back into the system, as well as any kits that are 07.5 and up will be DPF back only. Now most Diamond Eye kits come with the option to include a muffler, or you can go with the straight pipe option, and you'll see most kits have the option to choose a stainless or a black tip, so you'll want to be sure to check out those preferences here on the product page before you check out. Now last but not least, Diamond Eye has a 1-year limited warranty on all of their aluminized kits, as well as a 6-year limited warranty on all of their stainless kits, and they're all made in the USA. Now if you have any questions on any of these kits, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You could also reach us through email or chats on the site. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.